Sometimes on threads, you may post ghost posts, but if there's any AI content in that ghost post, it's better to label it as AI labeled. So in this video, we'll be telling you about how to mark any ghost post as AI labeled. For this, open the Threads application. After that, here you can see your profile photo. Click on this, and when you're clicking on that, here you can see a plus button like this. Click on this plus button. When you're clicking on that, here you can see the option to add new ghost post. Type the ghost post you want to post, and if you want to mark it as labeled, here you can see 3 dots in a circle. Click on that, and when you're clicking on that, here you can see Add AI Label. When you are selecting that, here you can see AI Info, and after that click on this Post button. When you are clicking on that, that post will be posted and AI Info will also be added. After that, if you want to see that ghost post, click here, and when you're clicking on that, here you can see that ghost post, and here under that you can see the AI Info option also. So this way you can easily mark any ghost post as AI labeled. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.